to what I was saying. Could be us.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a holiday. I'm gonna say Halloween. I mean a holidays look on my face and stuff. So I'm going to be using my eyeshadow that I've been in for a while. And you know, just subscribe and press the bell notification. And also I forgot to say my name is Tiffany. So this is my YouTube channel. So, but I hope y'all like it. And let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on the face prime. I love using this. It's like my favorite kind, my first one I ever have. The next one, I'm going to do my eyeshadow first, the Maybelline Nudist. And I kind of use the first lighting eyeshadow kind on there. So that's what I'm going to put on there. I'm using the gold kind that has on there, and you might. Sorry about that, y'all. I had to cut out that part of you hear my brother and my mom in the background trying to make this video. They make noise. So I did use the light kind of like a gold kind of eyeshadow. So I'm kind of putting them with that together. So I'm just going to let this video play. When y'all see through, after that I come back. On this brush, I'm using my eyeshadow brush. I'm using this other one, so one of them I'm kind of going back and forth to kind of fix the parts on the side of my eyes. So that's what I'm on there. And now I'm using my other eyeshadow brush on my other eye. So I'm doing the same thing like I did on the other eye. So I just want to let y'all know here. Okay, now I'm going to use these to put on my eyes. Okay, on here I kind of messed up on my eyeliner liquid that I had. I was trying to do it really good, but I should have put that on before I put my mascara on my eyes. So see, I can do this side. Well, I'm messing up all the time on this side every time. Now I'm going to put on my foundation. I love using this foundation and the first thing I kind of do is shake it because I forget to shake it. So that's what I'm doing, and putting it on my face. And so that's what I'm kind of be doing. And also I'll be rubbing it really good on my face so it don't come showing like I'm orange or something. So the next one, I'm using my Pro contour. So I love using it. I do need to get some more of them because I'm running out of them and I need some more. And I don't have enough to get it. Now I'm putting on my favorite powder. I love using this powder. It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I kind of almost wasted on my pants and my pajamas that I had on. So I kind of put it on my neck and everywhere so it comes and shows a really good natural look. So my Wet n Wild eyeliner is a brown kind, so I'm going to be using this. And so okay, now also I want to let you know I don't have no setting spray, so I have to get some. I never had a chance to get none, but I know it costs like Walmart for $4 or something. So whenever I do get it, I'm gonna get one. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this and put under my eyes. So I hope I can get this really good. I don't think I did that right, but I tried my best on it. See, this is like messed up. Ugh, it's so terrible. Oh my lord, I did that so bad. I need to give me one of them water pencil things. I'm just do like this. I'm going to go in and put some stuff under my eyes. Use the same eyeshadow. So I probably use the same one that I have. This one, use this. Oh no. Poke myself in the eye again. Oh. I do this every time. I don't want to make all my makeup. Lashes. Because it's still hard for me trying to put fake eyelashes on. So I have to like kind of get some stuff. It's this thing that I think I showed a video on it before. To try to figure out how I can put fake eyelashes on. Like my own eyelashes is like curly. It's like curly. It's curly. Okay, now I'm going to do my lips. So I'll be right back and that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to be using my eyeliner, my lip liner, lips, and I'm going to use this. I would try this. It's the Wet n Wild lip stuff, so I'm gonna try. If y'all like it, just like, comment, and subscribe, and press the bell, and put hashtag notification subscribe so I can feature you on my next video. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
But the fire is so delightful, and since we've no place